Hey, today I'm going to briefly talk about what to expect when selecting a DUI attorney. Obviously, experience should be the first and foremost thing on your list. It shouldn't be, do they have a snappy 1-800 number, clever website, I got a letter in the mail. None of that is indicative of someone who is an experienced DUI attorney. So I have written a blog, and I'll put a little link on here for basically talking about great marketing versus great lawyering. Which would you prefer when selecting your attorney? There's a lot of us out there. There's a lot of advertising going on. But to truly get down to whether someone's experienced or not, you need to sit down and meet with them face to face. A telephone conversation isn't going to do it because there are a lot of good salesmen out there. So when you're making your selection, make sure they have experience. Make sure they've done jury trials. Make sure they've gotten not guilties before. Make sure they've gone to jury trial recently. Because that would not be indicative of a very aggressive DUI attorney, especially practicing here in King County, Seattle area, to have not gone to trial recently. That's something to be expected. Anyone who's practicing would tell you that it's very common that you'd find yourself in jury trial. So make sure that that's first and foremost on your list is experience. The other is what their reputation is in the community of prosecutors, judges. Those are people you can ask, and they'll give you an honest opinion of what they think about an attorney. Of course, reviews on websites can be helpful. They're not necessarily, the all-inclusive result of what you should determine your attorney should be, but they're a pretty good sign if you see someone with the great reviews, not just traffic ticket reviews, but reviews on criminal cases. That's what you want to look for. So there's a lot of attorneys out there who practice DUI defense and then also do traffic tickets, and they have hundreds of reviews about people who got their traffic ticket dismissed, which really doesn't take too much effort to get done, but getting a DUI dismissed is a wholly different story. So make sure you do that. Experience, reviews, and reputation. That's the most key thing you should look for. Don't be tricked by snazzy 1-800 numbers or clever website names or letters in the mail or tow truck drivers giving you cards. All that means is that someone's good at marketing. Again, great marketer or great lawyer, which do you want? So do your research, but ask around too. Don't just look and see who's number one on Google, because anybody can be there if they have enough money to pay for it, or if they have good search engine optimization skills. And so look around, do some research, meet people face to face, and don't just meet with one attorney. Meet with more than one attorney so you can kind of get an idea of each person's experience level. So that's just my 2 cents on how to pick a DUI attorney.